If you have tailbone pain or coccyx pain, do you ever find that sitting on a toilet seat is more comfortable than sitting on a regular seat? So that's the question and the topic for this video. I'm Dr. Patrick Foy. I'm an MD or medical doctor. I'm the director of the Coccyx Pain Center or Tailbone Pain Center here in the United States. I'm online at tailbonedoctor.com. And in this short video, we're going to talk about using a toilet seat as a coccyx cushion or tailbone cushion. I've treated thousands of patients with tailbone pain over the past more than 20 years now in practice. And basically, some patients will find that sitting on a toilet seat is the most comfortable place where they can sit. And I've had a number of patients over the years who've told me that they or their family members have essentially constructed a toilet seat cushion for them. And that's what this is, where basically there's a toilet seat right here. So you would go to your local home improvement store, relatively inexpensive, to purchase a toilet seat. You can see, right here is the toilet seat. You can get some of them that have a little bit of cushioning, and then you can also get some padding to put on top of the seat to provide a little bit more cushioning, because sitting on the toilet seat itself may be hard or too firm for that portion during the day. So you can go to your Michael's or craft store or what have you. You can get some foam. You can cut that out. One way to cut out the foam, by the way, is just if you use like the electric knife that you would use for carving a turkey or something like that. And basically you can cut out a hole to match the size. And then in this case, you can see that they've put some fabric over the top and have used some Velcro to fasten that down. All right, so I've just unfastened this one, but in general, they're all fastened down. And then this becomes the cushion. And although most people do better with a wedge cushion compared with a donut cushion, part of the problem with a typical donut cushion is that the hole is very small. And then when somebody goes to sit down, the back of the donut, the back wall of the hole, presses onto the coccyx or tailbone and can cause worse pain than sitting without the cushion at all sometimes. So basically, what can be done with a toilet seat is you can see that the hole is much deeper. So if the person is sitting, here on the, we'll do it this way. They're sitting here near the front of the toilet seat. You can see that there is lots of space, behind the coccyx. So unlike the donut cushion where the hole is very small and narrow, here we have a very deep, depth, to the hole, and therefore the tailbone is not contacting the surface. So I just wanted to show this just to give some people some ideas. If you are someone with coccyx pain or tailbone pain and you realize that the best seat for you is, throughout the day is the few minutes a day when you're sitting on the toilet, then you may be someone where it makes sense to have yourself a kind of self-made craft project where you have made a tailbone cushion that will work for you. Toilet seat sitting is often the preferred place for sitting for people who have pudendal nerve problems. The pudendal nerve often can be very painful during sitting, but when sitting in a toilet seat, the way that the nerve runs does not get as much direct pressure when you're sitting on a toilet seat as opposed to when you're sitting on a regular chair, or certainly as compared to sitting on a bicycle seat or something like that. If you're interested in more information about tailbone pain, you can always go to Amazon and get a copy of my book, Tailbone Pain Relief Now, available both as an electronic book as well as the paperback copy. There is an entire chapter in here about cushions for tailbone pain. So if that's a particular topic of interest for you, we talk about some of the different cushions that are available and the types of cushions. But basically, this falls into the custom-made type of variety. If you're interested in coming to see me for tailbone pain, you can find me online at www.tailbonedoctor.com. And there's lots of educational information on the website as well to learn more about the causes and treatments for tailbone pain. So I hope that's helpful for you. Just a few minutes talking about using a toilet seat as a cushion for the tailbone. Bye-bye.